Okay, welcome guys. We'll be looking at data validation today. This is actually a nice topic to look at. Data validation help you tell Excel which data it should accept in different particular cells. As we always say, these are called cells. Let me make it rush. Okay, this whole center, this whole area is called a cell, or are called cells rather, meaning this one represents cell C. Okay. This one represents cell T6, B8, E8. You see, picking the rows and the column together, it becomes a cell identification number. Okay, we'll be looking at data validation, what you will tell Excel, or the type of data you tell Excel to accept in different particular fields. Okay, for now let's start. This is serial number. We have to make it very quick, fast and very fast. Okay, let's make this serial number, title, or let's say date, title, name, guys, phone number. Let's stop here first for now. Okay, this we do for the main time. Okay, serial number, they can tell Excel to accept. Okay, before we access the data validation, we have to click data, then we click data validation. This is where it is data validation. Click it and you see we can make here accept any value, but for serial number we can leave it as number. Okay, let's see, number between 1 to, let's leave this one for now and press OK. But you can still set, okay, let's say number between 1 to 50. Okay, let's say okay. If I type 55 here, what will happen? Now this value doesn't match the data validation instruction defined for the cell. You can set it, you can give it your own name, what you want, what it will say rather. For example, you can say information, type the error will type 1 to 50. What am I typing? I can't even type 1 to 50. This is type 1 to 50. Okay, for example, I type 70. See, type 1 to 50. Wow, very good. It's very good and nice. See, 1 to 23. You see, it works. So let me show you a quick way to put serial number. Just to go back to home. P Siri 1 to 50, and here we go. Finish. Very quick. Now dates. You can choose data validation for dates too. Okay, this date, we pick data validation for dates. Let's say okay, for dates, choose dates between you can say okay, start date, let's say January 1 to December 31. Okay, January 3 will work. Right, Taiwo, for example, bar, you see, so you have to pick only dates. You see, if I put Evans, it still insults me. This is not part of the game, so we can easily change. Yeah, sorry, can come here, error, insert dates, only dates. Yeah, we can edit, we can change this to let's say dates only, then a title please at dates. Okay, this input message is just like a guide of what we do. Okay, for example, let me put it dates. You can only type in dates values. Okay, and let's see what happens. You see, you can only type in date values. Note, anything I do here cannot be replicated. So the best way to make it work for everything is to, that is for all these data, is to make all of them a table. Easiest way to make a table is Control T. Control T will help you make a table. My table have headers, so that anything you do for A will work for B. Let's, for example, I'm creating this again for B. Okay, let me double click. That's accepted for all of them. You see, but I can click this thing. Okay, now let's do it for the next one. Title, we know there's Mr. for title, there's Mrs., there's Mrs., there's Prof, there's Doctor, there is Uncle, there is Auntie. Anyone you want to add, you are free to add. Okay, you can even add your pastor, your imam. Is this how to spell imam? Priest, chief priest, priest. Okay, others. Okay, for example, for title, we can use only that. We can use a drop down menu for title. For example, this title. Okay, let's add the settings. Note, to add is to click the settings bar to add. We come here and we choose lists. Okay, this list, if you ask for a source code, we can pick the source code and go to these ones. Okay, this is it, and we press okay. Let me see. I prefer error message. I don't like using this complete message. I prefer, okay, this we can say information, title, pick from the drop down menu. Okay. So let's see how it works. What happens? Let's try it again. Data, settings, title, sorry, data, lists, error, alerts, source, this is my source. This is my source. Okay. The error message. I like what information. Pick the drop down menu. Okay. Let's see. You see all of them is here. Doctor. For name, I can decide to use this data validation. Any value can go. You see, any value can go for name. Then let's leave it like that. Now, phone number is very important. Now, if for example in Nigeria here we have maximum of 11 numbers that are joined together to become one phone number, so I can make this data validation 11. Okay, let's say phone number value. I can either choose phone number or I choose text length, but it's advisable to use text length. Okay, between, not between, equals to. I want it to be exact, so I use equals to. So equals to length should be maximum of 11. Okay. So for example, somebody puts phone number of this length is 090 blah. You see, if you say no, okay, let me put a data validation, because so that the user can understand what he's doing. Information, I love using information. Okay, I will say your phone number. What am I spelling? Number. Okay, your phone number must be 11 characters. Don't add the last 2, 3, 4. Okay. So for example, I say 0703 726 7245. So your phone number must be 11 characters. How many characters is this? Okay, because Excel is removing one number. Okay, there's one way to do this. I can format this cell. Okay, come see, I can come to this side, more format option, numbers, or custom rather. I choose, let's say this. Let's say okay, it's not giving me what I want. Let's go back. First one. No.